Okay, so what are we doing?
We are going to make cookies.
Jovi, what are we doing?
Make cookies.
Yeah, make cookies!
Those are two I chose.
What are those?
Cat and heart.
Cat and heart? What'd you pick? Oh, you picked a snowman and a gingerbread man.
But it's not even Christmas time!
Oh, it should be okay.
But Christmas, no.
What's going on?
We want my tattoo.
Yeah?
I need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to help? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to help make cookies?
I'm the ingredient one.
Okay, you're the ingredient helper?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the ingredients list together, okay? Okay, Nova, what kind of ingredients do we got here?
No, not those. We got no, Daddy. 1 cup of butter, which is 2 halves.
Yeah.
Salt, cinnamon,
Mm-hmm.
baking soda,
Vanilla extract.
vanilla extract,
Oh, and we actually don't need the baking powder. We already got baking soda. And then what are those over there?
eggs.
Yeah, 2 eggs. Then we also have the plain sugar and the all-purpose flour.
And
Cool.
the chocolate chips. They're so.
Yeah, the chocolate chips too. Okay, so we needed 2.5. Yeah, we needed 2.5 cups of flour. So if there are 2 halves in one, Nova, if there are 2 halves in one, how many are in 2 cups? Right? If there's 2 halves in 1 cup, how many halves are in 2 cups? Right. And then adding another half makes it what? +1?
5.
Right. So we added 5 halves of a cup of flour. We need 1 teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda. And we have a 1/2 teaspoon cup here. How many halves do we need? 2. Yeah, there you go. One.
No, top.
It's okay, we'll clean it up. 2. There we go. That's all we need for baking soda. Hey, it's okay. Okay, so we need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Right, so it's a little hard to get at. You want me to help?
No, Jim.
You got it?
Uh-oh.
Right here. Oh, there's a little bit. And we'll kind of just eyeball the cinnamon, huh? Okay. Your hand getting stuck? There we go. There we go. That's good. Okay, all done. That's all we needed for cinnamon. Good job, Jovi. High five. High five. Yeah.
This smells very...
So we need a teaspoon of salt. How many halves go into... Yeah, you got it. You're too smart, Nova.
I don't think my hand is big enough.
Right, so try tipping it on its side and moving the salt closer. And scooping it up that way. There you go. Now shake it off. And inside. You don't want it overflowing. You just want it at the edge. There you go. There you go. That's good. So 1. Remember, shake it off. There you go. 2. Okay. Okay, Jovi, we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. Oh, we need to fill it all the way up, okay? Let's go in. We'll scoop, scoop, scoop. Shake, 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 and dump. There we go. Maybe a little bit more, because we missed some. All right, there we go. That should be good. Okay. Now, next, we need to do the brown sugar. Nova's going to do the brown sugar, okay? Here's a trick one. We have 1/4 cup, right? 1/4 cups, right? And we need 1 full cup of brown sugar. So how many of these scoops would it take to make 1 full cup? So if 1 over 2 required 2, how much does 1 over 4 require? Oh, you're over by 1. Minus 1 from that. Yeah, there you go. So you need 4 of these to make a cup of brown sugar, okay? And then you want to pack it. It's okay. So, now we got all the dry bits put together, right? Yeah. So next we're going to go on to the wet stuff. So we got, what is that? Vanilla, butter, and the eggs. And then the chocolate chips. And then we're going to mix it up in the mixer and we'll be done.
Mine. Mine turn. Then we need to save them.
Yep, and cook them in the oven, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Jovi, so we got to melt the butter. Do you want to help me melt the butter?
Yeah.
In the microwave?
Yeah.
You're going to put it in the microwave, okay? Okay. Okay, there's that. Oop. You okay, bud? Okay, good. Oh, it doesn't need the lid on. It should be okay without it. So we're just whoop, almost dropped the cup. Okay, here. So, how do we do it? You remember how? Down here, hit cancel, and hit this one.
Stay up.
There we go. You're up. You want down?
No, stay up.
You want to stay up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for the butter. Okay. Butter's done. Alright, let's put it down here. And let's get you down safely, okay? No, you can't stay up. You gotta get down. Come on. Here, close it. Yep, close it up. There we go. Okay, hop down. Whee! Are you sitting on the egg? Okay, you want to dump the butter in?
No.
You gotta dump the butter in. You have an egg for an eye?
No,
Silly.
bad.
Okay, no, not fast, slow. Yeah, we want to go in slow first, okay? Okay, so now we got to get the vanilla, Nova. And the eggs. Okay. You want to dump some vanilla in first?
How much?
Just a little bit. I usually just do it by ear. Or by eye. I just dump it until it looks good. You want to do a little?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So now, gotta crack the eggs.
No, do it. Okay, the other one is mine.
Careful. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ugh. Okay, that did not go according to plan. Alright, we might need another egg. You want to grab another egg from the fridge?
No, do it. No.
Okay. So, Jovi, we're going to do the egg, okay?
No, do it.
Here, help me. There we go. There we go. Stop. Don't squish it. There we go.
3 eggs.
It's more like 2.5. Should be okay. Most of the egg got in here anyway. On the counter. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need the final ingredient. What's the final ingredient?
Chocolate cheese.
Alright.
No, do it. I'll do it.
You guys do it together. Do it together. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See what happens when you fight?
Okay.
Do it together.
Last time it was
Jovi. Together, okay? Now let Nova help you, okay? Alright. I think that's probably good.
Okay,
All right.
enough.
That's enough. There we go.
Whoa, that's so many.
It is quite a bit. Oh, no, don't. Oh, yeah, go ahead and put it in. That's fine.
Too fast.
I was worried you're going to put that in your mouth. It had egg on it.
Fast.
No, no fast. No more. We're all done. Now we can make the cookies. There, now it's unpaused.
Okay, this is the cookie dough, and it is not yellow, it's brown, okay?
Oh, it's what?
It's just because of the lighting.
Oh, just because of the lighting. Okay.
So it's not yellow. It's not supposed to.
How's it taste? Have you guys tasted any? Just taste a little bit.
Yummy!
Yeah?
You would love it. Okay, so this is the heart I chose. And this is the kitty face I chose.